welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a BJD unboxing today, so let's begin. Those of you who are following my Instagram page, I posted this large box that came to my mail today. And I only ordered one doll, but this box is huge. So I'm wondering what other extras this seller provided. Yeah, it was pretty hefty too, so I had a little trouble getting it upstairs, but here it is. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot. I didn't expect the box to be this big though. I hope whatever's in here is safe. Yeah, it's all this. Right. Buried in there. I'm digging for it. Oh. What's in here? Alright. So I got the content out of the box. Box this side. Here he is. So this one's supposed to be a 68cm boy body from Miracle Doll, which I have the box here, but it's in a sad state right now. Yeah, the box. So the black one I took out, it was actually this Miracle Doll box. But it was already in pieces. I didn't really need the box anyway, but I appreciate that the seller still provided the box, I guess, for proof. Alright, with that out of the way, let's start unwrapping them. I'm glad the hands were intact too. And also, I think it fell out of the broken box, so even his, arm covers also came off. So I'm actually glad the hands are safe. And he also came in this suit he's wearing. It's a nice vinyl coating, which I'm probably going to put on different though. So far, so good. And here he is. I might take off his clothes just to do the body review though. So yeah, he's a little bit wobbly right now, maybe due to shipping purposes. So here it is. The 16cm Miracle Doll body. As you can see, it's quite slender body, similar to the Resin Soul 70cm Big Boy body. for like long and stuff. So my original idea for this body was to get to make a hybrid with long, and if the resin match for Resin Soul's normal skin doesn't match this one, maybe a different head. So I wanted to order the body first in order to see if I still want that idea. So normally I was gonna order it like directly from Miracle Doll, but I saw like there was another listing on eBay and they were selling this body secondhand, which I much prefer to buy secondhand or in stock doll since like I'm quite impatient. So yeah, let's see this body. Yeah, he's a bit loose. It might be hard to see from here, but like, so what I noticed is with Miracle Doll, like, I don't know if all Miracle Dolls have this since it's my first one. His arms are a little bit like curved compared to like most BJDs of them. Like, okay. So, it's very similar to the Resin Soul body, which I have here, Nicholas. They're very similar, like, in like sculpts, but like this one has a bit more like muscle-esque finishing with the curved arms. You'll see, this is my Resin Soul Yang. His arms are like much straighter compared to like this one. But so, yeah, he's very kicky. And like, see like when I do this pose with him, I raise his arms a bit. It kind of touches like his chest cavity, as you can see here. See, it's very close. Also, his chest also seems. Yeah, there's some rocks. Yeah, I've been looking for this body since like. So when I usually buy like a doll to hybrid, I would usually like look at their measurements at their company so I could see like if they could fit or not. So I usually focus on like the neck and the shoulder width to see if I want the hybrid. But I'm glad like I got this secondhand instead of like pre-ordering. Since I mentioned I'm quite impatient when it comes to like doll like waiting times. Yeah, I'm glad his hands didn't break either. He has all his fingers, as you can see. Since like his hands are kind of like this. So this body was Miracle Doll's Ewan, I think his name. It was his body, but the koa went with the head, so I am just left with the body, which I have the box for. So. And I don't think this doll has been recasted. And his feet are quite. Yeah, I noticed with Miracle Doll's feet, see like it has like the hole for like. I guess if you want to put him in flip-flops, you can do that. Which I find quite interesting, which none of my dolls have that. Alright. that'll be all for this one. And I'll post more pictures of this on Instagram or Flickr. And like what I do with this doll. So you can follow me there. My Instagram is elfiedoll. And that'll be in the description. Thank you for watching.